Do you know that you can make very delicious and unique snacks from rice paper? Let me share with you some creative ways that Vietnamese people use rice paper. Oh yeah!
Helen's Recipes.
Rice paper rolls swirl lollipop is such a unique snack from the highlands of Vietnam. It's really cute to look at and very fun to snack on. You will need jicama, carrot, garlic, shallot, some scallion, minced pork, woody mushrooms, and a stack of rice paper, as well as some stock powder and pepper. Soak the dried woody mushrooms in water for about 10 minutes and then finely mince. Also finely chop the jicama and carrot. Season the minced pork with some stock powder, pepper, and minced shallots. A teaspoon of fish sauce and mix well, then set aside for about 15 minutes. Now heat some oil in a pan and saute the minced garlic and shallot until fragrant. Then add the seasoned minced pork and stir well to separate the chunks. Then add the minced carrot and jicama. Stir well and cook for a minute. Then add the woody mushrooms and chopped scallion. Stir well and turn off the heat. Leave the filling to cool completely. Next, dip the rice paper in water just long enough to wet them. Place on a flat surface and arrange a tablespoon of the fillings to make a roll across the diameter of the rice paper. Roll it up like a cigar and make it into a square. Make a few and then skew them into a skewer to look like a candy lollipop. Wow, they look so cute, don't they? For the sauce, soak the tamarind in hot water for about 15 minutes. Then strain to discard the seeds and the fibrous part. Mince up a whole lot of garlic. Then heat some oil in a pan and saute the minced garlic and chilies until fragrant. Then add the tamarind liquid, sugar, fish sauce, and chili sauce. Add some stock powder and season to your taste to achieve a perfect balance between sweet, sour, and savory. Next, mix some cornstarch with water and then pour into the sauce to thicken. It's so simple to make, but you're gonna be amazed how great it turns out. Another fun street food of Saigon with rice paper is this rice paper rolls with beef jerky and green mango. You will need a stack of rice paper, quail eggs, chicken egg, some beef jerky, green mango, mint or Vietnamese mint, lime juice, shrimp sauce, some peanuts, fried shallots, and chili sauce. Firstly, finely shred the green mango. To make the sauce, separate the egg yolk into a bowl, season with salt and pepper, a teaspoon of lime juice, then use a balloon whisk to beat it up. Gradually add 100 ml of vegetable oil while constantly whisking. Just add a few drops of oil at a time and continue beating until you get a thick and smooth sauce like this, just like mayonnaise. Wet your rice paper with some water and place it on a flat surface. Arrange all the fillings in a row, starting with green mango, a sprinkle of shrimp sauce, some shredded beef jerky, fried shallots, and boiled quail eggs which I have cut into quarters. Add some mint to add some freshness and drizzle with some sauce. Roll up, then cut into bite-sized pieces. The crunch and tanginess of the green mango will balance out the richness of the sauce. Combined with the savory beef jerky, shallots, and quail eggs will make it into a very interesting bite. I'm sure you won't be able to stop. It's such a great snack to serve with a glass of iced tea. The next one is my favorite. It's fried rice paper rolls with salted egg yolk sauce. It's so crispy and packed with umami flavor from the beef jerky and that salted egg sauce. It tastes so good that you will be addicted to. You will need some rice paper, sausage, egg, shredded beef jerky, some scallion, salted egg, some flour, milk, butter, pork floss, fried shallots, shrimp sauce, and chili flakes. Arrange the salted egg yolk on a baking tray and brush with some sesame oil. Bake in a preheated oven at 110 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. You can also steam it for about 10 minutes, then crush well in a bowl. Next, melt a tablespoon of butter in a small saucepan. When it's hot and bubbly, add the crushed salted egg. Stir well until it becomes foamy. Add 50 ml of milk and a teaspoon of all-purpose flour to thicken up the sauce. Stir well until combined. Take off the heat and leave to cool. Next, cut the sausages into strips. Crack 2 eggs in a small bowl, season with some salt and pepper and beat well. Add some chopped scallion. Now wet your rice paper and place on a flat surface. Brush some butter across its diameter. Also brush with some beaten egg. Add the sausage, beef jerky, fried shallots, and roll up. Then deep fry in hot oil until it becomes really crispy and golden brown. Make sure you drop in the rolls while the oil is hot enough. That way the rolls will become crispy and not oily. Dip that roll into the salted egg sauce. It's so incredibly awesome. I hope you enjoyed these simple but yummy ideas. Don't forget to click like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing Vietnamese dishes. I will see you the next time. Bye!